Good morning, Miss Williams. Welcome to City Hotel. I am MJ Santos and I am your butler for today. Proceed to your suite, ma'am. It is in 28th floor. This way, ma'am. Breakfast will be available at Wing Restaurant Hotel, located in the lobby in the ground floor of 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have cafe and business center at the lobby level. Our meeting is in second floor. Let us know if you want to make a reservation to our restaurant and spa. We are here in front of your suite, ma'am. Let me open the door for you. Your fire exit is in the right front of your room. And I will place your key card into electricity slot, ma'am.
And no, nothing. Thank you.
I offer you a drink, ma'am.
Yes, a bottle water only.
Okay, ma'am. For a moment. Here is your water, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, allow me to explain your room facilities. You have safety deposit box in your wardrobe. A mini bar wherein you carry butter, replenishes your drinks every day. Your remote control is in air conditioner and television is located here. Channel list is on the top of the robe. We have 80 clothes for you. 30 selection. The telephone is here. To make an outgoing call, just dial 63 followed by number of you may press 04. Operator assistance. For hotel department, for 1 front desk, 2 for housekeeping, 3 for room services, and 4 for security. The telephone direction is here in your drawer. Would you like me to unpack your luggage, ma'am?
Yes, please, but my important things, my jewelry and watch, just put in my bag.
I'm done unpacking your luggage, ma'am. Is there anything else that I can assist you?
None for now, child. I just want to rest first because I'm tired for 12 hours flight. Thank you for help.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you again. I will remember that.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I will leave you now. Have a great day and have a pleasant day with us.